PC. Escape from Tarkov SteamAppId not found, unhandled exception. Fix: this error happens when the launcher can't detect the Steam app ID. It usually occurs if EFT is launched incorrectly, Steam isn't running properly, or environment variables are misconfigured. Launch EFT through Steam. Make sure Steam is running and logged in. Launch Escape from Tarkov directly from Steam library. Do not launch Escape from Tarkov.exe from the installation folder directly. Open quote, launching manually bypasses the Steam app ID and triggers this error. Close quote. Run Steam as administrator. 1. Close Steam completely. 2. Right-click steam.exe. Run as administrator. 3. Launch EFT from Steam. Open quote. This ensures Steam can inject the correct app ID into the game environment. Close quote. Verify EFT launcher settings. 1. Open BSG launcher. 2. Ensure Steam integration is enabled if you own the game on Steam. 3. Click Repair Verify Integrity to check files. Set environment variable advanced. If the error persists, manually add Steam app ID. 1. Press Win-S, type environment variables, edit the system environment variables. 2. Click Environment Variables New under User Variables. 3. Set. You can see the code in our conversation history. Open quote. 72850 is the EFT Steam app ID. Close quote. 4. Click OK, restart PC, launch EFT. Hash repair or reinstall EFT launcher. Open BSG launcher, settings, verify integrity, repair. If it fails, uninstall the launcher, do not delete game files, and reinstall latest version. Disable antivirus / firewall temporarily. Some security programs block Steam or launcher from setting environment variables. Allow the following through firewall: bsglauncher.exe, escape from Tarkov.exe, steam.exe. Run in compatibility mode. 1. Right-click Escape from Tarkov.exe, Properties, Compatibility tab. 2. Check Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 10. 3. Apply and try again. After these steps, always launch EFT via Steam or BSG launcher with Steam running. The error should no longer appear.